Hello, my dearest Pangit, my one and only Pangit. Well, first of all, I want to greet you a happy birthday. I wish you have more birthdays to come. Of course, good health, most especially. Yan ang wish ko sa iyo, iwasan ang pagiging high blood. I also want to take this chance, of course, as always, to thank you for everything, for being a good provider to us. Ang wish ko lang sa iyo also is sana bawasan ang pagiging high blood at iyan ang ikadadali ng buhay mo. Wala akong pakalam sa mga insurance mo. Etchos. Ayun lang, basta no more long messages. Alam mo na yun. Message na lang kita. Yung Garmin mo, sige, lista mo na lang muna. Sa ngayon, ang pipilitin kong i-achieve na isa sa wish mo is yung pagda-diet ko. Chika. Ayun lang, happy birthday, Pangit. Alam mo na yun. Mama chup. Bye!
Happy birthday, Papa. Thank you for being the best provider ever. I love you so much po. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Papa. More birthdays to come. Wish you all the best. And, ayun. You're the best provider and Papa. Love you.
Happy birthday pa. Salamat po sa lahat-lahat pa. Ingat ka po palagi dyan. Love you pa. Oh, happy birthday sa aking favorite na manugang. Sana lagi ka ligtas dyan sa kinalagyan mo. Lagi kayong masaya dyan. Kumusta ka na? Ang nanay nga pala, tanong lagi sa akin tungkol sa iyo, kakalang karong babakasyon. Eh, minsan sinabi ko kasi, malapit ka na umuwi. Ang sagot niya, para raw napanaginipan kanya. Nalimutan na nung dumating ka. Eh, alam mo nga, malilimutin yun eh. Pero paborito ka rin noon. O, sige na. Basta yung mga pangako, dapat tinutupad yun ha. Oh, happy birthday na lang sa'yo. Bye-bye.
Hi Ninong Elmer, happy birthday. I hope your day will be as wonderful as you are. Stay healthy and God bless.
Hi, Ninong. Happy birthday. Hope your day is awesome as you are. Just remember, you're not getting older. You're just leveling up. Alam ko nandiyan ka lang lagi para sa
Meng, happy birthday! 50 ka na, tama ba? Wala na akong mawiwish sa'yo. Lahat nasa iyo na. Mag-ingat ka na lang dyan palagi. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Happy birthday!
Ayan. Happy birthday, Meng. Mga best wishes ko sa'yo, marami. Best life, best career, lahat. Good health. Tsaka syempre, alam mo na, good ang bulsa. joke. Meng, alam mo, masyado akong saludo sa'yo. Proud. Kasi nahati mo yung pamilya mo sa trabaho. Unang-una, nabibigyan mo ng tamang suporta yung mga anak mo na alam ko binibigay mo lahat para sa kanila, para sa magandang kinabukasan nila. Tsaka Meng, sana wag malilimutan yung pamilya mo, magulang mo. Alam mo, masyado akong sa'yo eh. Saludo! Painom ka naman dyan. Pakanton, tsaka pahipon. joke. Di ko na alam kung ano sasabihin ko eh. Marami akong dapat sabihin. Pero, siguro, yun na lang yun. Sana mag-enjoy ka. Enjoy mo yung special day mo. Yun lang, Ming. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ming. Inom tayo. Bye. God bless you. Pero sana, wag mong kakalimutan mag-thank you dun kay Lord. Kasi sa lahat ng mga blessings na natatanggap mo, lalo na nagagabayan ng pamilya mo, yun lang, Ming. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Meng.
Happy birthday, Meng. Ingat ka lagi dyan.
Happy birthday, Kuya Meng.
Happy birthday, Meng. Ingat lagi.
Happy birthday, Kuya Ming! Ikaw?
Happy birthday.
Tio Eming! Ingat palagi! God bless!
Merry Christmas! Happy birthday, Kuya Elmer!
Happy
Play
birthday!
chocolate! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to
Nene,
you!
lumalayo eh!
Merry Christmas! Happy birthday to you! Kamsahamnida!
Happy birthday!
Play chocolate!
Happy birthday to my firstborn child, to my best friend, anak remain unchanged. I'm so proud of you for your loving, thoughtful, and very responsible man to your family. I'm always praying to Almighty God to bless you, to continually bless you with good health, long life, and happiness. I love you very much.
Happy birthday, Papa. I wish you good health always, and of course, I wish you all the best things in life kasi I know you deserve it for being the best provider to us, for always guiding us in everything that we do. And we appreciate you so much. Know that we always feel your presence and your care even na nasa malayo ka. Kasi you're still hands-on sa amin kahit na yun, hindi ka namin kasama. So, we're so much grateful to have you as our Papa. And yun lang, thank you so much for everything. We love you and we miss you na.